Hey guys, it's Lauren Folks Adams and we are talking about organizing. We have two boys, Harrison and Julian, and Harrison is 8 and Julian is 5. So whatever Harrison can no longer fit in anymore, we put in storage bins and we label it so that way when Julian gets his age, we have clothes. I mean, especially with uniforms and stuff, it works out great. So here's some organizers to help you. Pretty colors, gray and like a rose gold. They will help you organize if you're out of that closet space that you really need. So Chris, my husband, organized this area all right here for you. One day he got a wild hair and said, "This is so disorganized." And so we went out to Lowe's and we bought this big old shelf and now it looks fantastic. So on the top is all of our extras, paper plates, food, bags, and then we have all the girls' stuff in like an old milk crate. Then we have our drinks. Next are our chips and snacks. Now our boys bring their lunch every day because they're picky eaters. So this is all lunch stuff so they can have a variety. So they don't feel like they can only have the same thing every day. So I love shoes, and these are not all of my shoes, but those half are Chris's and these half are mine. And then I have more shoes than that. So one thing that I do to organize is I bought these shoe racks that I keep some of my shoes on that don't fit. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.